Hello, loves. This meditation contains affirmations to open a portal of communication between you and your specific person, as well as make them absolutely obsessed with your energy. After this, they will want to talk to you all the time. Listen to this 3 times daily for best results. Now let's begin. They are attracted to me. I attract great communication from them. I radiate love and confidence. Everyone is absolutely obsessed with my energy and aura. I enter their dreams. I manifest contact with them right now. They try to contact me all the time. They beg for me back. I live rent-free in their mind. I am their first thought when they wake up and the last thought when they go to bed. They can't stop thinking about me. They are always fantasizing about me. They long to get to know me on a deeper level. They will reach out to me first. All blockages keeping us apart are gone. They constantly compliment me. They tell me how much they love me. I am the only person for them. They always want to spend time with me. They tell me that I am the most beautiful person they have ever seen. They are completely put under my spell. They will literally do anything for me. They are committed to me. They love me more than life itself. They always find their way back to me. They are always eager to please me. They put me on a pedestal. I am the most important person to them. They cannot stop staring at pictures of me. They cannot get rid of the thought of me. They are planning a future with me right now. They make me feel so loved. They will drop anything and everything just to talk to me. They miss me desperately every second I am not talking to them. They want to make things official. There is simply nobody else like me. I am always chosen over everyone else. I am always prioritized. I am adored. I am irresistible. I am constantly being chased. I am the center of their attention. They only see me romantically. Every love song reminds them of me. Every romance movie reminds them of me. Everyone says that we are cute together. I am in the constant state of happiness. Nobody can compare to me. They crawl back to me. They tell me that I am all they have ever needed. Their soul is intertwined with mine. I am the best that they have ever had. I am unforgettable. They have obvious feelings for me. Saying that they are obsessed with me is an understatement. They are constantly coming across things that remind them of me. No matter what they try to think about, it always comes back to thoughts of me. They are always going out of their way to be nice to me. Their thoughts are constantly filled with happy memories of me. They want nothing more than to kiss me. They will risk anything to be with me. They constantly tell me that they wish they could be with me all the time. Type, I manifest contact with them right now to affirm this meditation. And if you desire even more love, attention, and affection, let me help you by manifesting them for you. I was able to help Alicia bring love and happiness back to her life. I was able to help Rose get a love message from her specific person after months of no contact. And I can help you too. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com or click the link in the description box below, and you can get your specific person to love you again after being blocked and ghosted, just like Renee, or get results like one of my thousands of clients here. I hope you have a day full of love and joy, and I will see you in the next meditation.